It's right now, innit?
No, a little bit. Go forward, just forward. I mean,
Nah, ligament.
Ligament.
These two are terrible.
No, that is confusing.
Go on then. Alright, I'm not saying it. Go on then. Yeah, you're gonna need to go for the red.
Fucking hell,
Jason.
Ligament.
I am fucking ligament.
Okay, keep it. Full out. Keep going.
The same people, this Race Planet, and today got something different. I'm at my uncle's stag do. He's getting married soon, and we're at Warwickshire Adventure, where we're doing loads of different activities: quad biking, hovercrafting, off-road buggying, clay pigeon shooting. There's loads, so stay tuned. Hopefully it's going to be a lot of fun. Peace. Just about to go on the hovercraft, yeah. These are all freaks saying that this corner here is hard to do. No one expected me to walk the corner. I'm saying to them, listen, I can drive, I need wheels. That hovercraft, they got no wheels, so you know what? Fuck that. I'm gonna hook that corner. Watch, yeah.
That corner right there.
Got it.
That was overweight though.
But yeah, anyway. Let's see how I get down in a hovercraft. No promises. Someone check this guy out though. Check how small he is, yeah. Look, I'm getting him shot. Look how small he is. Why you got a pink helmet on, blood?
Yo, I'm the Stig, yeah?
The Stig?
The pink Stig.
The Stig?
The pink Stig.
The pink Stig. Sound. Look. You say, George? How was that, mate?
It's cold. Cold.
And all at once it came to me, I could be everywhere. I drove my fist into the earth, reached her core, and grabbed hold tight. And all at once it came to me, I could be everywhere. I drove my fist into the earth, reached her core, and grabbed hold tight.
How's the quad biking?
Quad biking was sick.
Yeah. What about the
Hovercraft was shit because I'm fat.
Uncle Ham, I know this is your stag do, yeah? And you're getting married soon, but can you talk us through this pink scarf?
This is Christine's. Christine gave me this. She's either wearing knickers or wear a scarf, she said.
Yeah.
You're saying about the day so far, bless?
Yo, it's blessed, you know, look at me, filthy. It's all good fun though, all good fun.
Yeah.
On to the next one.
Okay, George. You're saying about the day so far?
My toes are cold.
Huh?
My toes are cold.
This is how bad it is.
Yo. Fucking crazy.
Saying about the day so far?
No, it's been sick still. The day's been mad. I almost lost my life on a quad. Yeah, no. My leg went out. I was like Shaky Stevenson.
Uncle Birch, bike man.
It's all about that.
Let's see.
It's all about the RR.
We'll see. We're gonna come and see this, man. We're gonna come and see them. Come see garage rubbish bikes.
Brother's getting married. I gotta get some dirt on it.
Yeah.
Hold the front brake on him.
Lads, what we're saying about the day so far?
Really good.
Yes.
And I'm gonna win the shooting.
You're gonna win the shooting.
Put it out there. We'll do it, Dad. Dead eye dick, they call me. Something like that. I don't know what it is.
There's up the top, bottom edge. Yes, yes, it. Still got one in there.
Bad boy.
Grabbed hold tight. And all at once it came to me. I could be
I didn't get any roost.
You missed the ball.
Yeah. But I'm consistent.
There we go then. Hey, the gun's the same size as you. The gun's the same size as you. Everything.
8 out of 8, mate.
8 out of 8, bro. So get down. Drive cars and shoot guns. No, joking. Just cars, mate. It's a fluke, that was. They've never seen one of them before.
Red black. Yeah.
Yo.
Stops when you get to black.
So I'm driving a car, yeah, but can't see where I'm going. And when I turn left, yeah, the steering wheel goes right. And when I turn the steering wheel left,
Right.
Oh god damn.
Is it? No power steering.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Stop. What? No, bash.
Left ligament, Jason. Ligament.
I don't know where we're going.
oh my god,
Yeah.
you're not terrible, man.
Stop.
Yeah.
Right. Ligament. Fully.
Right, you idiot.
Stop.
No, it's
Yeah, it is. He's recently doing it right.
Is it?
Yeah, hold it on. Stop.
Stop.
Okay.
It's right now, innit?
No, a little bit. Go forward, just forward. I mean,
Nah, ligament.
ligament.
these two are terrible.
No, that is confusing.
Go on then. Alright, I'm not saying that. Go on then. Yeah, you're gonna need to go for the reds.
Fucking hell,
Jason.
Ligament.
I am fucking ligament.
Okay, keep it. Full up. Keep going.
See.
Keep ligament. Keep it.
Oh, this is gonna be great. This is.
Just let go of the steering. You know the route, so you have to.
Yeah, it just
you're
sits
saying-
here.
So we have to say one at a time because you're confusing Reese. You are, because I'm saying one thing, you're saying nothing to Reese. We've got to do it.
Yeah, I'm just saying the steering.
Rat. Ligament. Yeah. Rat. Where we going now? Straight. Ligament a little bit. Rat. Full ligament. Yeah, we got this, man. Full ligament. Rat. Ligament. Rat. Half ligament. Rat. Ligament. Full rat. Got this, bird, you get me? Full rat. You just listen to the thing, come on. Keep going. This thing is mad. To turn left, you gotta go right. Stop.
I'm not doing anything.
This This guy ghost riding the car. Turn left, you gotta go right, and turn right, you gotta go left, yeah? But you can't say left or right. So Natty decided that left is ligament and right is rat. That's how his brain works, you know. What about that? You know, ligament and rat. Yeah, this thing is a madness. I'm joking.
I can't see for shit.
Man, we can see you, man. We can see up your nose, man. God damn. That's not exciting.
Oh, it's like a roller coaster ride. Like.
Buy one of these. You can go in like Wales where you pay the farmer land money and he just lets you drive, man. Yeah. You get stuck, it's your own fault, your own business. Straight on.
And all at once it came to me. I could be everywhere. I drove my fist
To the back now, yeah. I'm a bit scared now. Jason, don't kill me. My fans, my fans need me to produce them good videos.
More power, a bit more power, a bit more power. Off the power, the brakes down, let the engine brake, or it's way down.
About to go up the steep hill. Look at the back window.
Straight.
Oh,
Good, I was somebody trying to get in.
did it? I wasn't scared.
It was like left.
once it came to me, I could be everywhere. I drove my fist into the earth, reached her core, grabbed hold tight.
Ready to get muddy?
And all at once it came to me, I could be everywhere. I drove my fist into the earth, reached her core, grabbed hold tight.
yes, people, what you're saying. Just got in my car. We just finished our day at Warwickshire Adventure Sports. I'm going to leave the link in the description below of the place that we went to today. It's been a good laugh, man. Definitely got to come back here in the summer. But the only bad thing about it, most of the stuff is outdoors and it was cold. The buggies, oh, you just see one that was going past there. The buggies was too muddy, so it weren't really a little bit of fun. Mine broke down. But yeah, it was a good day out. Everybody had a flipping good time. The stag had a good time. So yeah, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you hadn't already subscribed, and leave a comment. And also, it does really help when you leave a comment or like the video. So even if you're looking at this, sorry, that was the manager telling me to make sure I tag him in the video. Tag Warwickshire Adventure Sports. I will. The link will be down in the description. But yeah, where was I? Yeah, like the video. It really does help if you like the video. If you don't like the video, then don't like it. You know what I mean? But if you do like the video, hit the like button. It helps our videos get shown and other people's timelines, etc. And like I've already said, Race Planet this year, I'm taking it seriously. So yeah, thanks for watching. Glad that I'm in my car now. Heating's on full blast. After a meal, and then we're going to get the stag wasted. Peace out.